Meaning of frigging.
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 Frigging. Frigging is a slang term that can be used as a substitute for a more vulgar expletive. It is typically used to express frustration or to emphasize a point. The word has a somewhat playful tone, although it can also be used in a more aggressive manner. The origins of the word are uncertain, but it may have derived from a euphemism for a vulgar word that rhymes with it. Overall, frigging is a word that should be used sparingly and with caution in polite company due to its potential to offend.